Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science in 11th grade. Let's dive into effective strategies right away. First, focus on truly understanding the why behind scientific principles, not just the what. This approach builds a stronger foundation. Next, tackle large subjects by dividing them into smaller, digestible parts. This makes learning less overwhelming and more efficient. Finally, consistent review is key to retaining information long-term, so make it a regular part of your routine. To truly master science, active learning is essential. Instead of just rereading, try active recall. Quiz yourself on key terms and processes. Solving a variety of practice problems, especially those from textbooks or past exams, helps you apply theories. Visual learners benefit greatly from creating concept maps, which illustrate how different ideas link together. Furthermore, explaining a concept in your own words, as if teaching someone else, reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Developing strong study habits is crucial for success in science. Start by setting up a regular study schedule and stick to it. Consistency is more important than cramming. Find a quiet, dedicated space where you can focus without interruptions. Remember to incorporate short breaks, perhaps 5 minutes, after every 25 minutes of focused work to prevent burnout. Don't hesitate to ask for help from your teachers or classmates when you're struggling with a particular concept. Make the most of all available resources. Your textbook is a powerful tool. Read chapters before they are covered in class to get a head start. Supplement your learning with online educational videos and interactive simulations, which can clarify complex processes. Forming a study group with peers allows for collaborative learning and different perspectives. Most importantly, cultivate a positive mindset. Believing in your capacity to understand and excel will significantly impact your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.